this is Dr. Adam Kopsky from Advanced Rehab and Medical, and today I want to talk to you guys about sleep posture as it relates to low back pain. So one tip I commonly give my patients as far as their low back pain and what you can do at home that makes actually a really big difference is a sleep posture. So if you come into the office and we get you nice and adjusted, maybe loosen you up and you feel better, but then you just come back in a day or two and it's just coming right back, one of the reasons could be of what you're doing at home that aggravates it. One thing is sleeping. If you're getting your 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night like you should, then if you're in a wrong position there, it could actively hurt your condition you're in. So one thing I want to show is that ideally, if you have low back pain, take a pillow, and when you're on your side, come through here and place that pillow between your legs right here. What this will do is prevent this top leg from, if it's not supported, coming down and torquing your low back. So if you're in that position for 6 to 8 hours, no wonder we could wake up and have a lot of discomfort. So go ahead and be proactive. Put a pillow between here, keeps that low back nice and aligned, so to prevent some pain. So I hope this tip was informative. If you guys have any questions, please comment in the section below, and we'd be happy to go over your comments as well. So thank you very much.